Hello guys, this is a update of my rebuilding the nano tank. As you can see, I'm doing a leak test in this rimless nano tank. Previously, I told that I will be using a black silicone, but uh, I can't find any black silicone available in the local hardware or any market here. So I used a clear silicone, and I resealed it, so it looks pretty neat and clean. Hey baboy, hawadra. So far, I also checked on some acrylic sheets, but it's kind of expensive, so maybe I will change some couple of plants for the filtration, and maybe I will use a bigger hang on back filter. So that's it.